Hey there, it's Dr. Emily, and today I'm sharing something that could completely change the way you look at your meals, especially if you're over 60. You've been told all your life that vegetables are good for you, right? But what if I told you that some of those healthy veggies could actually be working against you? Yep, certain vegetables may be silently harming your body in ways you're not even aware of. These vegetables may be weakening your immune system, accelerating brain aging, and worst of all, damaging the muscles in your legs. This is a serious issue, as leg strength is directly tied to balance and mobility. And we all know that falls are the leading cause of fatal injuries in older adults. What's even more concerning is that these risks are often hidden in plain sight. These vegetables could be contributing to inflammation, reducing blood flow, and even impairing your ability to walk without fear of stumbling. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. The science behind this is solid, backed by studies published in the Journal of Gerontology. In fact, researchers followed tens of thousands of older adults and found some shocking links between specific vegetables and the decline in physical function, memory, and vascular health. You've probably been eating these veggies regularly without realizing the potential harm they can cause. Here's the good news. In this video, we're going to take a look at the vegetables you should absolutely be eating to support your brain, immune system, and leg strength. But we'll also talk about the ones you should avoid if you want to stay active, independent, and sharp as you age. Stay tuned, because I'm even going to reveal one vegetable that many of you might think is good for you, but in reality, it could be quietly sabotaging your leg health. Before we dive in, take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll never miss any of these life-changing health tips. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Type 1 if you're excited to learn something new today, or type 0 if you're a little skeptical. Either way, I'd love to know where you're watching from. All right, let's get started. I'm sure you're curious to find out which vegetables are actually doing more harm than good. And I promise this is going to be eye-opening. Carrots, a secret powerhouse. Let's start with one of the most underrated vegetables in your kitchen, carrots. I know they may seem like just a simple snack or a side dish, but trust me, there's more to them than meets the eye. These bright orange roots are packed with essential nutrients that can help you live longer and live better. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And that's a game changer for your vision. As you age, your eyesight naturally starts to decline, and age-related macular degeneration, AMD, becomes a real risk. In fact, AMD is the leading cause of vision loss in people over 60. But studies show that a diet rich in beta-carotene can help slow down the progression of AMD, helping you maintain sharp vision and all the independence that comes with it. Think about it. Clear vision means more than just being able to read a book or see your grandkids' faces. It means being able to navigate the world around you confidently. You'll be able to drive safely, move around without hesitation, and avoid those life-changing falls that come with poor eyesight. But that's not all. Carrots do wonders for your legs too. They contain antioxidants that help protect your nerves and blood vessels, particularly in your legs and feet. What does that mean for you? Better coordination, better balance, and a stronger ability to stay steady on your feet. As you age, it's not just about strength. You need coordination between your brain and body. Carrots help keep both systems sharp and synchronized, which is essential for preventing falls and maintaining your mobility. Have you ever found yourself tripping or losing your balance unexpectedly? It's something many of us deal with as we get older, but carrots might just be the secret weapon you need to regain that steady confidence in every step you take. 2. Broccoli, your shield for strong bones and a sharp mind. Next up is broccoli. Another vegetable that may not seem exciting at first, but trust me, it's a powerhouse when it comes to supporting your health as you age. Broccoli is loaded with a plant compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to fight inflammation at its core. Inflammation isn't just about feeling discomfort. It's a slow, silent force that can damage your heart, bones, memory, and even your grip strength. Sulforaphane neutralizes that inflammation before it even has a chance to cause real damage. And it also activates your body's natural detox systems, helping your cells protect themselves. In addition to sulforaphane, broccoli is rich in vitamin K, calcium, and a variety of antioxidants, all of which your bones and arteries rely on to stay strong. Strong bones mean less risk of fractures, and flexible arteries mean better blood flow and less chance of circulation problems. For seniors, these benefits are invaluable because good circulation is crucial for maintaining mobility and feeling steady on your feet. Broccoli also has an incredible effect on leg health. It improves circulation in your lower limbs, which is especially important for those managing conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. When your blood flows better, your legs feel lighter and less prone to swelling or cramping. That's the kind of support you need to keep your legs feeling strong all day long. Here's a pro tip. How you prepare broccoli makes all the difference. Boiling it might seem easy, but it can strip away many of its powerful nutrients, including the sulforaphane. Instead, try steaming it lightly for just a few minutes. This method locks in the nutrients, giving your body full access to its protective effects. So, next time you reach for broccoli, make sure you steam it lightly and enjoy the benefits of stronger bones, better circulation, and a sharper mind. 3. Spinach, the secret to better circulation and mental clarity. Now let's talk about spinach. You've probably heard that spinach is a great choice for overall health, but did you know it's one of the best vegetables for supporting circulation, cognitive function, and muscle strength as you age? Spinach contains natural nitrates, which help widen your blood vessels and improve blood flow to your muscles and brain. This is especially important as we get older because our circulation naturally slows down, and our reflexes can become dull. Regular consumption of spinach can help reverse that process, giving your body the support it needs to stay agile and mentally sharp. In addition to improving circulation, spinach is rich in lutein and folate, two nutrients that are directly linked to better cognitive function. People who eat lutein-rich foods regularly tend to have better memory, faster thinking, and fewer signs of cognitive decline. If you're looking to keep your mind sharp and focused, spinach should be a regular part of your diet. Let's not forget about vision. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that help protect the macula in your eyes. The macula is the part of your retina responsible for detailed vision. As we age, the risk of macular degeneration increases, but consuming spinach regularly can help keep your macula strong and your vision clear. Just like with broccoli, how you cook spinach matters. Light sautéing with a bit of olive oil is the best way to preserve the nutrients while making it gentle on your digestion. You can also throw fresh spinach into a smoothie. No heavy prep required. Just remember, don't overcook it, as high heat can break down its valuable nutrients. 4. Tomatoes, a hidden hero for heart, health, and mobility. Now, let's talk about tomatoes, a vegetable you likely include in your diet already. But did you know that tomatoes might just be one of the best-kept secrets for heart health and mobility as we age? Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. As we get older, heart health becomes more and more critical, and the risk of cardiovascular disease rises. Lycopene can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the kind of oxidative stress that can damage your arteries. But that's not all. Lycopene doesn't just support your heart. It also plays a role in keeping your legs strong and mobile. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in lycopene tend to have better leg function, which means less stiffness and more freedom of movement. For seniors, this means fewer mobility issues, less pain, and more confidence when moving around. The good news is that tomatoes are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, in salads, or cooked into sauces and soups. And here's the kicker. Cooked tomatoes actually increase the bioavailability of lycopene. This means that your body absorbs more of it when tomatoes are cooked, so you get more heart-healthy benefits from your meals. What's your favorite way to eat tomatoes? Do you enjoy them fresh in a salad, or do you prefer them cooked in a warm dish like spaghetti or chili? Let me know in the comments below. You might even find that simply adding more cooked tomatoes to your diet can help you feel more energetic and mobile. 5. The surprising truth about nightshades. Are they doing more harm than good? Now I'm going to share something a bit more controversial. Nightshades. These vegetables, such as tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplant, have long been considered healthy, but recent research is beginning to question whether they're actually doing more harm than good, especially for people over 60. Nightshades contain a group of compounds called solanine, which can cause inflammation in certain individuals. For some, especially those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, nightshades can exacerbate joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. These compounds can also interfere with calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. If you've been feeling unusually stiff or dealing with unexplained aches, nightshades could be a factor in your discomfort. But here's the thing. Nightshades aren't inherently bad for everyone. In fact, for many people, they're perfectly fine in moderation and can offer important nutrients. The key is knowing your body. If you're experiencing any discomfort after eating tomatoes, peppers, or potatoes, it might be worth considering whether they're contributing to your inflammation. So, what should you do if you're concerned about nightshades? Start by eliminating them from your diet for a couple of weeks and see if you notice a difference in how you feel. If your joint pain decreases and your mobility improves, it might be time to reduce or cut them out completely. However, if you feel no difference, then continue enjoying these vegetables. After all, they're still rich in nutrients like vitamins C and E, which are important for skin health and immune function. I'd love to hear from you. Do you eat nightshades regularly? Have you ever felt that they might be affecting your health negatively? Let me know in the comments. This could spark a great conversation. 6. Beets, the underrated superfood for seniors. Now let's talk about one of my favorite vegetables, beets. These vibrant root vegetables are often overlooked, but they're actually a goldmine for senior health. Beets are rich in nitrates, which can help boost blood flow and lower blood pressure. This is incredibly important for seniors because good circulation is vital for maintaining mobility and preventing falls. But that's not all. Beets also contain beta-thionin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative damage and supports liver detoxification. This means that beets can actually help your body remove harmful toxins and keep your liver functioning optimally. Healthy liver function is key to better digestion, more energy, and a stronger immune system. Something we all need as we age. In addition to improving circulation, beets can also enhance muscle function. The nitrates in beets help increase the oxygen supply to your muscles, which can reduce fatigue and improve endurance. So if you're someone who's looking to stay active, whether that's walking, swimming, or even just gardening, adding beets to your diet could give you a boost of energy and keep you feeling strong. But here's the catch. The benefits of beets are most effective when they're consumed fresh or roasted. Be sure to eat them in their whole form, as beet juice can be high in sugar and might not provide the same level of nutrients. So, what do you think about beets? Have you tried them before, or are they something you've avoided? Beets may not be the most common vegetable, but their benefits are truly remarkable. I encourage you to give them a try, whether in a salad, smoothie, or roasted with a bit of olive oil and herbs. 7. New way of thinking about veggies. So, there you have it. Some of the best vegetables for your health as you age, and a few you might want to rethink. It's not just about what you eat, but how it affects your body at a deeper level. Your circulation, your mobility, your brain health, and even your emotional well-being. As you get older, it's more important than ever to make choices that support your long-term health. If you can shift your diet to include more of these amazing vegetables and reduce those that might be secretly harming you, you'll be well on your way to a more active, vibrant life. I'd love to hear from you. What vegetable has had the biggest impact on your health? Is there one you've started eating more of recently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends or family. You never know who might need to hear this today. Thanks for watching. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life. See you in the next video.